Switzerland, officially recognized as the Swiss Confederation, is a captivating country nestled in the heart of Central Europe, where 16,000 square miles of breathtaking landscapes unfold, showcasing glacier-carved Alps, serene lakes, and picturesque valleys. This small yet enchanting nation has carved a niche for itself as one of the world's wealthiest countries and has become synonymous with neutrality, a reputation upheld for centuries. The roots of the Swiss Confederation trace back to 1291, when it was conceived as a defensive alliance among cantons. A pivotal moment in its history occurred in 1499, marking its independence from the Holy Roman Empire. However, the most transformative change came in 1848, when a visionary constitution was adopted, reshaping the Confederation into a centralized federal government and putting an end to a turbulent period of internal conflicts. Switzerland's economic prowess is indeed impressive. With low unemployment rates, a highly skilled labor force, and one of the highest gross domestic products per capita globally, Switzerland stands as an economic powerhouse. This strength is attributed to factors such as low corporate tax rates, a flourishing service sector dominated by financial services, and a cutting-edge high-tech manufacturing industry. A federal republic, Switzerland comprises 26 cantons, with Bern serving as its administrative capital. While towns and cities are home to most citizens, Zurich emerges as the most populous and cosmopolitan city, embodying the vibrant spirit of the nation. Switzerland takes pride in its cultural diversity, with regions boasting distinct identities and officially recognizing four national languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. Beyond its economic and geographical splendors, Switzerland's cultural contributions defy its modest size. Swiss citizens have garnered more Nobel Prizes and registered more patents per capita than many larger nations. The nation's neutrality during periods of conflict served as a magnetic force, drawing some of the world's greatest minds to immigrate, including literary luminaries like James Joyce, George Byron, and Voltaire. Switzerland's financial landscape has long been shrouded in mystery, particularly its secretive banking sector. However, evolving reporting rules and legislation have ushered in a new era of transparency, altering the perception of its financial practices. The commitment to neutrality has not only shaped Switzerland's history but has also earned it respect from its European neighbors. Opting not to take sides in either of the world wars and remaining outside the European Union, Switzerland, especially in the city of Geneva, has become a sought-after headquarters for international organizations. The International Committee of the Red Cross and the United Nations, joined in 2002, find their home in this neutral haven. In addition to its diplomatic role, Switzerland is a proud member of global economic entities, including the International Monetary Fund, IMF, World Trade Organization, WTO, and World Bank. These affiliations underscore Switzerland's commitment to playing a significant role in shaping the global landscape. In conclusion, Switzerland is a multifaceted jewel in the heart of Europe, where nature's beauty intertwines with economic prowess, cultural richness, and a commitment to peace. Its story, intricately woven through history, stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of diverse elements that define this remarkable nation.